Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram incorrect password problem. All right, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Password. You will now see different recovery options. Choose to reset using your email, username, or mobile number. In this case, select the mobile number option. Next, enter your registered phone number in the required field and tap Continue. Instagram will send a verification code to your WhatsApp account. Open WhatsApp, go to your messages, and copy the verification code you received. Now return to the Instagram app and paste the code into the verification box and tap Continue to move forward. After that, select your account name from the list shown. Create a new strong password, then tap Continue. Finally, tap Save to confirm the changes. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram incorrect password problem. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!